Hello, ambitious entrepreneurs. I am Tauseef, Shah, digital marketing expert at Softtrust Digital Marketing Agency. Are you ready to transform your digital presence and skyrocket your business growth? Today, I have something special just for you. Imagine doubling your website traffic and increasing your sale by 50% in just 3 months. Sounds incredible, right? That's exactly what we did for our client, Green Tech Solutions. Green Tech Solutions came to us struggling with low online visibility and stagnant sales. We conducted a comprehensive analysis of their digital presence and crafted a personalized marketing strategy that included SEO, content marketing, and targeted PPC campaigns. In just 3 months, their website traffic doubled and their sales increased by 50%. This is the power of a well-executed digital marketing strategy. But don't just take my words for it. Did you know that businesses that invest in digital marketing see an average of 2.8 times higher revenue growth, and with over 80% of consumers researching online before making a purchase? Having a strong digital presence is more crucial than ever. For a limited time, we are offering a free consultation to help you achieve similar results. We will analyze your current online presence, we will identify opportunity for growth, and provide you with a customized strategy. Also, as a bonus, you will receive our exclusive 10-page ebook on the benefit of digital marketing, packed with actionable tips and insights. Visit our website now to book your free consultation and start your journey to digital success. Let's make your business the next success story.